Welcome to another edition of the Grilling Oasis. I'm your host, OT. So today, I was in the Dollar Tree picking up some items. And I walked by the freezer and it had a steak for $1. Here it is. I said, oh, we're going to have to try this steak for $1. A Dollar Tree steak. So we're going to try it, family. We're going to see what it's all about. We're going to cut it open. Rinse them off. What the little steak feel like? Okay. Got a little fat on them. Alright, so we're going to try them, y'all. We're going to try them. You know we like our favorite seasonings. Seasoning salt. Remember on the Grilling Oasis, we season one side, take it to the grill, then season the other. Got a little Creole season we're going to put on. Don't put too much because these steaks are a little thin, so we don't want to overbear them. We're going to put some garlic powder. And then we're going to put some pepper. Actually, family, I don't think we need to season the other side. This thing is so thin. Let's take and put them on the grill like it is. Alright, family, we got our Dollar Tree steak. We got them seasoned up. So, we're going to stick them on the grill. Can't leave them on there too long. It's thin. So, we're going to let them get them char marks on it. I'm going to cover them up. And we're going to turn them back over in about 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, family, it's been about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes that we had our Dollar Tree steak on there. So let's take a look at it. It's cooking. I'm turning them over. Then, gonna turn them over. It got a little juice to it. Oh, yeah. I see you. We're going to cook this one about 1 minute, 2 minutes, and then it'll be ready. See you in about a few minutes. What's up, family? So, we're going to take our steak off. It's been about 4 minutes. We did 2 minutes on each side. And it's ready. We cooked our Dollar Tree steak in 4 minutes. Let's go try them and see what it tastes like. Okay, family. We got our steak. We're going to try it and see. Don't take much to cut it. You see, we only cooked it 4 minutes, 2 minutes on each side, and it's well done. Let's try it. It's tender. Got a little gristle on it. You know, you can take this steak and make steak tacos with it. You can make some, it's a good way to have your friends over if you want to have a cheap meal. You give them 3, 4, 5 steaks. They don't cost $1. But it's not a bad steak. It actually held a flavor better than I thought it would.